नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome you all with my love and respect. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Sri Mahants, Mahants, Tanidar, Kotari, visitors, viewers sitting with us all over the world. Through Kailasas Nityananda TV, YouTube Live, Facebook Live, Kailasa TV, Hinduism Now TV, Enlighten app, Twitter and two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Today, 9th day of the Paramashivaratri Brahmotsavam, Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva, Sri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti are gracing in Sarvalankara, Amlanamala, in Rishabhavahana, Swarna Rishabhavahana, in Adi Kailasa Nityananda Peetam. We now offer our worship at their feet and receive their grace. Today is also Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa's Jayanti Day, the 184th Avatara Dinotsava of Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. We also now offer worship at his feet and receive his grace too.
धूरसि धूर्वधूवन्तं धूर्वतयो ओस्मान् धूर्वतिन्धूर्वयं वयं धूर्वामस्त्वं देवानामन्त्रस्थितमं पप्रितमं जुष्टतमं वह्नितमं देवभूतममहृतमसि हविर्धानन्त्रिकुम्भस्वमात्वार् मित्रस्य त्वा चक्षुषा प्रेक्षेमाभेर्मा संनिग्धा मात्वा हि गुंशम्। ओम श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिवाय नमः। सर्वदेव देवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परमशिवाय नमः। उपमाघ्रापयामि। ओम उद्दीप्य प्रजातवेदो बघ्निर्निरृतिं मम पशुकुष्टमह्यमावह जीवनं च दिशो दिश मानो हि गुंसि जातवेदो कामश्वं पुरुषं जगते अभिभ्रदग्न आगहि श्रिया मा परिपातय। ओम श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिवाय नमः। सर्वदेव देवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परमशिवाय नमः। एकहारती दीपं दर्शयामि। ओम अमृते अमृतोद्भवे अमृतवर्षिणी अमृतं श्रावय श्रावय स्वाहा। ओम श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिवाय नमः। सर्वदेव देवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परमशिवाय नमो नमः। नैवेद्यं निवेदयामि। ओम तन्महेशाय विद्महे वाग्विशुद्धाय धीमहि तन्नः शिवः प्रचोदयात्। ओम सदाशिवाय विद्महे सहस्राक्षाय धीमहि तन्नः शिवः प्रचोदयात्। ओम व्योमव्योमाय विद्महे सूक्ष्मसूक्ष्माय धीमहि तन्नः सूक्ष्मः प्रचोदयात्। ओम श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिवाय नमः। सर्वदेव देवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परमशिवाय नमो नमः। कर्पूर नीराजनं संदर्शयामि। रक्षान् धारयामि। संस्थापकाय च धर्मस्य सर्वधर्मस्वरूपिणे अवतारवरिष्ठाय रामकृष्णाय ते नमः। अथ धूपः। ॐ धूरति धूर्वधूर्वन्तं धूर्वतयोऽस्मान् धूर्वतितं धूर्वयं वयं धूर्वामस्तं देवानामधिरस्मितमं पप्रितमं शुद्धतमं महितमं देवहूतममहृतमति हविर्धानन्द्रिगं हस्तमात्वा आर्मित्रस्य स्वाचक्षापे क्षेमाभिर्मा सुचित्ता मात्वाहि गुंशम्। ॐ श्री भगवते श्रीरामकृष्णदेवाय नमो नमः। धूपमाघ्रापयामि। ॐ मुक्तिप्यस्वजातवेदोपघ्ननिरृतिं मम पशुपिश्चमख्यमावह जीवनं च दिशो दिश मानो हि कुन्तीजातवेदो कामश्वं पुरुषं जगत् अबिभ्रतघ्नाकहिष्या मा परिपातय। ॐ श्री भगवते श्रीरामकृष्णदेवाय नमो नमः। एकहारतीदीपं सन्दर्शयामि। ॐ मधुवातारतायते मधुक्षरन्ति सिन्धवः माध्वीर्नः मधुनक्तमुतोषसि मधुमत्पार्थिवगं व्रजः मधुद्यौरस्तु नः पिता मधुमान्नो वनस्पतिर्मधुमागम् अस्तु सूर्यः माध्वीर्गावो भवन्तु नः मधु मधु मधु। ॐ श्री भगवते श्रीरामकृष्णदेवाय नमः। नैवेद्यं निवेदयामि। ॐ न तत्र सूर्यो भाति न चन्द्रतारकं नेमा विद्युतो भान्ति कुतोऽयमग्निः तमेव भान्तम् अनुभाति सर्वं तस्य भाता सर्वमिदं विभाति। ॐ श्री भगवते श्रीरामकृष्णदेवाय नमो नमः। सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परमशिवाय नमो नमः। कर्पूरनीराजनं सन्दर्शयामि। रक्षां धारयामि।
Paramashiva's message from Sri Kailas directly. Listen. Source of Tyaga is directly the prana of Paramashiva himself. In every step of your life, when you are breathing Tyaga, manifesting Tyaga, you are breathing Paramashiva himself. Bhairava, Mahakala Bhairava is the manifestation of Paramashiva's Tyaga. Today I have some of the most powerful Bhairava mantras compiled from various agamas, tantras, Puranas published by Tiruvavaduduri Adinam. I first wanted to thank Tiruvavaduduri Adinam for doing this great, wonderful work the Guru Maha Sannidhanam of Tiruvavadur Yadinam, and the team assisting Guru Maha Sannidhanam, his editors, the whole team, I want to thank sincerely for this publication. In one place they compiled the whole original, authentic definitions, mantras, everything about Mahakala Bhairava. So I thank them before I use this to invoke Kala Bhairava, the ultimate Tyaga, Paramatyaga in all of us. Today is also Sri Ramakrishna's birthday, Avatara Dina Mahotsava. Ramakrishna, Avatara Varishta, the greatest incarnation of God in the modern times, greatest incarnation of Paramashiva in the modern times, undoubtedly highest influence on me next to Arunagiri Yogeshwara. If I have to say, I'll tell it's Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. Next to Arunagiri Yogeshwara, if I list who all have inspired me, influenced me, awakened me, if I put the list, first naturally Arunagiri Yogeshwara, the second name will be Ramakrishna. No disrespect, even Ramana Maharshi will be third name. I am not disrespecting Ramana Maharshi. Surely Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi will not feel disrespected. It's a, even senior wise, Ramakrishna is senior. Ramakrishna. Absolute embodiment of all the absolute attributes of the absolute. Whether you call purity, consciousness, auspiciousness, power manifestation, uncomparable. From the time I read Ramakrishna in Amuda Mozhigal in Tamil, which was my inspiration till now, from that day to till now, he is one of my Aradhana Murti, means in my personal worship, he is always there, and worshipping him was and is part of my life every day, even today. The first ashram I built was dedicated to his name, Sri Ramakrishna Dhyanapeetham. So, we are celebrating Ramakrishna's Jayanti in Sri Ramakrishna Dhyanapeetham, and all the ashrams, adhinam, sarvanyapeethas we have. Let's offer Aarti in Sri Ramakrishna Dhyanapeetham Tiruchengodu Adinam, and then I will continue the satsang.
ॐ राजाधिराजाय प्रसंयसाहिने नमो वयं मयि श्रवणाय कुर्महे समे कामान् कामकामाय मह्यं कामेश्वरो वै श्रवणो ददातु कुबेराय वैश्रवणाय महाराजाय नमः कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। भगवते श्रीरामकृष्णदेवाय नमः। कर्पूरनीराजनं सन्दर्शयामि। सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्रीनित्यानन्दपरमशिवाय नमः। कर्पूरनीराजनं सन्दर्शयामि।
Now listen. Tyaga, in any level, whether you give up one meal or you give up whatever you call as wealth, anything you give up, from the context that you are Paramashiva, understand that. The context from which, the cognition from which you decide to do Tyaga is too important. Cognition that you are Paramashiva, with that, any Tyaga you do, you start infusing yourself with Paramashiva Prana. You become Bhairava, Mahabhairava, Mahakala Bhairava. Understand? Like how if you fill the balloon with helium gas, it goes up if you fill yourself with the prana of Paramashiva through Tyaga, you just go to Kailasa. Mahakala Bhairava is Lord of Tyaga, Tyaga Raja, Paramashiva. When he manifests his Tyaga dimension, he is worshipped as Mahakala Bhairava. Kala Bhairava never punishes. He only helps you to achieve Paramashivatva. For example, even that Brahma story. If Kala Bhairava is angry, he would have killed Brahma. Brahma is nobody for Kala Bhairava. But he did not kill Brahma. He just removed the ego, which stops Brahma to see the ultimate reality, which stops Brahma to see his Paramashivatva. Only that part he removed means Kala Bhairava actually helped Brahma to achieve his ultimate state eternally. That's why Brahma remains as devotee for Kala Bhairava. Some fools try to tell, oh, Brahma was punished by Kala Bhairava. No. He only removes the ego and enlightens. Kala Bhairava is absolute compassion, eternally sweet, cute, absolute compassion. As I said, you can tickle his hip when you see him. He will laugh. It's too cute. To hide that cuteness, he stands ferocious. Hey! Hey! But he's too sweet. He's only interested in your enlightenment. He removes only what need to be removed. The ultimate Tyagi, Paramashiva, Tyagaraja. Paramashiva himself gave this sacred sounds to awaken the Tyagaraja, Kala Bhairava in all of us. I am going to awaken different energies of Paramashiva, Kala Bhairava in all of us. Come on. It's too important process today. Don't miss the process. Get your Atmalinga and come and sit. I am going to recite the original sounds given by Paramashiva as it is, to connect all of us to Paramashiva and Sri Kailasa. With the grace of Paramashiva, all of us will experience Paramashiva today. If you want to call your friends, family, anyone, call them. Not to miss this process. It's too important. Call them. It will help intensely manifesting powers, especially Akashic records. You can start reading Akashic records with this process. Come on. So before entering into the process, I'll answer some of your questions. I thought from today I'll answer live questions. In Twitter, a lot of people have sent their questions. Let me answer few of your questions. First, Kathy Ann is asking, Dear Swamiji, how do I maintain focus when struggles arise to throw me off my path to enlightenment? First thing, listen. Do not think and work in binary logic. Please understand. Your very question is fully filled with binary logic. Don't plan to keep the inspiration powerfulness, will persistence tomorrow. Don't worry that you did not have enough will persistence yesterday. Listen. Don't worry, you did not have will persistence last few days or few months or few weeks in your past. And don't try to plan how to keep your will persistence strongly tomorrow, day after tomorrow, next day, in future. Just decide, today I will go to as high as possible. Today I have inspiration. Come on, let me make the extreme decisions to the path of my enlightenment. Just go ahead. Today, if you have an inspiration, take sannyas today. Don't worry. Tomorrow you may drop it, you may fail it. Binary logic will never give you breakthrough. I have seen many people. They want me to give breakthrough for them from their binary logic and lead them to enlightenment. And stupidly they think I should act within the binary logic. Dumbo, jingle, bungu, loser, funny, paityam. Do not worry, you did not have inspiration in the past. Do not worry or plan to keep the inspiration strong in your future. Now, if you are inspired, take off. Make extreme decisions. Kathy Ann, specifically customized answer for you. Take the decision, move to Kailas. That's it. Simply the focus will be kept alive. And nothing can throw you off from the path of enlightenment. Next, Mita Rajani is asking, what is the reason for patterns that are passed through generations? What is the best way to get out of this? First thing. The fundamentally human being learns the basis of their identity. What is right, what is wrong, what is good, what is bad, what is pleasure, what is pain. From your past generations, from your parents, family, people around you who taught you. I still remember very clearly one incident. Let me tell you. It really happened. I was helping the Shivacharyas in the temple, in Arunachaleshwara temple, to light the lamp for the arth. So once the Shivacharyas, they do two puja. Means the puja is done inside Garbha Mandir and then in Ardha Mandapa. Till the level of Ardha Mandapa, anybody can go and help them and light diyas and give them during the puja, arti. In those days, temple did not have so many staff. And even the staff were there, not only understaffed, they will have to run around to all the different sannidhis, shrines. So we are small kids who volunteer. We also go and help here and there, and it's a big blessing and it's such a joy to volunteer and do puja to Arunachaleshwara. After the puja, they will give the vibhuti first to us, so that's a big pride. Of course, never to forget a very good share of Naivedyam, Prasadam, food, graced by Paramashiva himself. So, we always run and do volunteering. And once when I was volunteering, the camphor fell on my finger mixed with oil, burning, fell on my finger and got burnt. And anyhow, immediately the other people who were there, they helped me and they put my hand in the water and the burning sensation started settling. Then I ran to Arunagiri Yogeshwara. Those days I used to be having darshan of Arunagiri Yogeshwara regularly, physically. I ran to him and said, like this, it happened. And he just held that finger and said, Kana, நெருப்பு சுடுங்கிறது தப்பு பாடமப்பா, பாடத்தால் தான் சுடுதே தவிர இருப்பினால் சுடலப்பா. He was telling me the fire burns, fire hurts is because the lesson we learned that fire will burn, not by the existence fire will burn. Of course, don't try in your home. Just listen to the whole story. One fortunate thing in my life was I never had my own logic away from Arunagiri Yogeshwara. I was so much in love with him. It's such an extreme love and romance relationship. So I never had any other logic. I was just drinking his words literally. And I had such a sweet, dear relationship with Arunagiri Yogeshwara. I will actually sometimes tickle his belly. So he will start laughing that saliva will spit on me. That saliva will get sprayed on me when he laughs fully. That sweet connection, relationship I enjoyed with him. Then he got little camphor and he held that finger which got burnt with his hand and asked me to touch the camphor with other hand. And he held my hand continuously. Slowly I could see from my stomach the fire spreading all over my body. The heat was increasing. But it was such pleasure, intense, pleasant experience and pleasure from inside. And it went, the temperature went to the extreme. The camphor which was touched by my other hand just lit up. To that level, my body temperature has gone up, but no pain, no suffering. It was pure pleasure. I still remember how he raised the whole, not just temperature, my cognition about fire. That's it. I realized even the so-called fundamental experience like fire burns is because you learned that way. You are delusory learning, not because of its existence. He said, hey, Agni, தத்துவமப்பா, அது வயத்துக்குள்ளே தான் இருக்கு. நம்ம வயத்துக்குள்ளேயே இருக்கிறது எப்படி துக்கம் கொடுக்கும்? He was trying to teach me in Tamil. I am trying to repeat the words as it is. Fire is a principle, fundamental principle of existence, and it is there inside our stomach. Anything which is inside our stomach, how can that destroy us or burn us or disturb us? Skin is the Prithvi, the earth component of you. Fire is one more component of you. How can one component of you destroy another component of you when you are still alive as the master of you? He said, நீ உடம்புல இல்லாம போயிட்டா அப்போ ஒன்னோட ஒன்று அடிச்சுக்கிட்டு ஒன்று கொளுத்திருச்சுன்னு சொன்னா சரி புரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். ஆனா நீ உடம்புல இருக்கும்போது உன்னுடைய பாகங்கள் எப்படி ஒன்று அழிக்க முடியும்? He was giving me the multi-dimensional logic, not binary logic. He says, when you are not inside the body, your own fire component has burnt your own earth component. At least that can be tolerated because you are not there. The head is not there. When the head is not there, the students can, it's like if the teacher is not there, the students can fight amongst each other and burn the classroom. But when the teacher is there, head is there, how can they fight with each other? He said, you are the head. When you are in the body, how can your fire element burn your earth element? I said, right. Correct, Swami. That one lesson he taught me, I realized multiple things. First thing, even the so-called worst sufferings are because you are taught it is a suffering, not because it is a reality. That's first lesson. Second, the hydrophobic material which keeps your DNA together, that hydrophobic material is filled with sound. See, being becomes identity through sound. Identity becomes physical expression of a person through fire. The person manifests is good, bad, right, wrong, everything through earth, the Prithvi element. See this satsang again to understand what I am saying. The sound component, Nada Tattva, sound principle, keeps consciousness and matter together, means that is the first intervention into the hydrophobic component which keeps DNAs together, DNA's spare parts together. Guru, by giving the right sound, vibrations, cosmic principles in the form of Anagata Dvani, he gives new birth and breaks all the patterns passed through the generations inside you. If you are serious, Mita Rajani, if you are serious about breaking the patterns passed on through generations, attend morning process. After the satsang, the Paramashivoham process I do, attend to that. The sounds I am creating and infusing into you purifies the hydrophobic component which keeps your DNA material together, which is the bridge for being to become identity, identity to become personality. the purification happens in your core level. Attend every morning this Paramashivoham process with Atmalinga. That's it. And next question. Shen wants to know what is the one thing a disciple must do to always have Guru's, Paramashiva's grace. Cherish him as your most sweet, beautiful, intimate soul, S-O-L-E and S-O-U-L. Nothing else is required. This one takes care of everything. Every disciple had that kind of an experience with me. I mean, all the crores of disciples who have seen me physically and who have not seen me physically knows in their core being, I am their core soul, S-O-L-E, S-O-U-L. Cherish that, that's all. That's enough, you will have Guru's grace. The individual is asking, is there a relation between Shaktis and Sri Chakra petals? Yes. Each Sri Chakra petal is one Nitya Devi, Tidinitya Devi, we call it. 16 Tidinitya Devis are the 16 petals, and each of them are a Shakti. I should say group of Shaktis. Enriching Temple in Bellevue is asking, Mount Shasta, is that Arunachala of the West? I should say yes. Surely, Mount Shasta is a sacred space. And soon we will have Kailasa in Mount Shasta. So with this, let me enter into the powerful process with the grace of Paramashiva. I'll invoke Paramashiva. With the grace of Paramashiva, I'll connect all of us to Paramashiva intensely. Pick up the Atmalinga and touch your root chakra, means the backbone tip. Touch the Atmalinga backside, the tip of the backbone, Muladhara chakra. Because I am going to invoke the Paramashiva in the space of Mahabhairava in each of the chakras. So, first keep the Atmalinga on your Muladhara chakra. Om, 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 Om.
கருணார்ணவமாய் கருதக்கதினம்
ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं सौ हौ खं गं 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 ngam antakodi pushari kulasahitayai am sham mangalamba devyai am sham brahmanyamba devyai namaha अनंतकोटि भूतकुलसहिताय अं क्षं मंगलनाथाय अं क्षं असिदांगभैरवाय नमः। ओम ह्रीं श्रीं ओम ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं सौ सौ खं गं 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 ngam अनंतकोटिपूषरी कुलसहितायै आं क्षां मंगलांबा देव्यै आं क्षां ब्रह्माण्यंबा देव्यै नमः। अनंतकोटि भूतकुलसहिताय अं क्षं मंगलनाथाय अं क्षं असिदांगभैरवाय नमः। Now move the Atmalinga to Swadhisthana Chakra, front side, below the navel. Move your hand, Atmalinga, front side, below the navel, Manipuraga Chakra. Swadhisthana Chakra, below the navel. Navel is Manipuraga Chakra, below the navel is Swadhisthana Chakra. Keep the Atmalinga on Swadhisthana Chakra, below the navel, below the Manipuraga. Om Aim Hrim Stim Zau Zau Cham Cham Jam Jam Nyam Anantakodi Kesari Kula Sahitayai Im Sam Achigamba Devyai Im Sam Maheshwaryamba Devyai Namaha. अनंतकोटि वेताल कुलसहिताय इम्लं अच्छिगानाथाय इम्लं रुरुभैरवाय नमः। ओम ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं सौ सौ चम झम 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 न्याम अनंतकोटि केसरी कुलसहितायै ईं सां अच्छिगाम्बा देव्यै ईं सां माहेश्वर्यम्बा देव्यै नमः। अनंतकोटि वेदाल कुलसहिताय इम्लं अच्छिकानाथाय इम्लं रुरुभैरवाय नमः।
Oh
Now move the Atmalinga to the navel center, Manipuraga Chakra. Om Aim Hrim Steam Sau Sau Tam Dam 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 Nam Ananta Koti Batala Chara Kulasahitayai Om Ham Yogeshwari Amba Devyai Om Ham Gaumari Amba Devyai Namaha Ananta Koti Pichacha Kulasahitaya Om Ham Yogeshwari Nathaya Om Ham Chanda Bhairavaya Namaha Om Aim Hrim Steam Sau Sau Tam Dam 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 Nam Ananta Koti Batala Chara Kulasahitayai Om Ham Yogeshwari Amba Devyai Om Ham Gaumari Amba Devyai Namaha Ananta Kodi Pichacha Kula Sahitaya Ham Yogeshwari Nathaya Ham Chanda Bhairavaya Namaha Om Aim Hrim Steam Sau Sau Tam Dam Tam Dam Nam Ananta Kodi Batalachara Kulasahitayai Om Ham Yogeshwari Amba Devyai Om Ham Gaumari Amba Devyai Ananta Kodi Pichacha Kulasahitaya Om Ham Yogeshwari Nathaya Om Ham Chanda Bhairavaya Namaha Om Aim Hrim Steam Sau Sau Tam Dam 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 Nam Ananta Koti Batala Charakula Sahitayai Om Ham Yogeshwari Amba Devyai Om Ham Gaumari Amba Devyai Namaha Ananta Koti Pichacha Kula Sahitaya Om Ham Yogeshwari Nathaya Om Ham Chanda Bhairavaya Namaha Now move the Atmalinga to heart center, Anahata Chakra. Om Aim Hrim स्टीं कौ सौ तं धं 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 नं अनन्तकोटि टाकिनीकुलसहितायै रुं सां हरसिद्धाम्बादेव्यै रूं सां वैष्णव्यम्बादेव्यै नमः। अनन्तकोटि अपस्मारकुलसहिताय रुं सं हरसिद्धाम्बानाथाय रुं सं क्रोधभैरवाय नमः। Keep the Atmalinga in your heart center. Continue to keep in the heart center. Anahata Chakra. Om Aim Hrim Steam Kau Sau Tam Tham Dham Dham Nam Anantakoti Dakini Kulasahitayai रुं सां हरसिद्धाम्बादेव्यै रूं सां वैष्णव्यम्बादेव्यै अनन्तकोटि अपस्मारकुलसहिताय रुं सं हरसिद्धाम्बानाथाय रुं सं क्रोधभैरवाय नमः।
ஆதி அருணாச்சல பேரற்புதலிங்கத்துருக்குள் ஆதிநாள் மார்கழியில் ஆதிரை அஜோதி எழும் ஈசனை மால் முன்னமரர் ஏத்தி வழிபட்ட நாள் மாசி சிவராத்திரி அம்மற்று தங்களருளால் உலகம் தாங்குவதற்கன்றி இங்குறைவன் சித்தனென என்றும் எனதுள்ளே பொங்கி ஒளிரும் புகைப்பல் போகமொடு என்றுள்ளே தகையவியலால் புல்லாவினைகள் குணமாம் புகலீது இல்லாததுவாம் எது கண்ணுறலால் எல்லாரருணாச்சலமாம் இதுவே எல்லாரருணாச்சலமாம் இதுவே தெரியல்லை உற்று கண்ணுற்றால் கருத்தினால் தூர கருதினால் உண்மை வருத்தமுறாது வராத வேதாந்த அறுத்த விஞ்ஞானம் ஆர்க்கும் உண்டாமே அறுத்த விஞ்ஞானம்
Now move the Atmalinga to Vishuddhi under the neck on the throat chakra. ஸ்ரௌ ஸ்ரௌ பம் 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 மம் அனந்தகோடி சஹ சரி குலசகிதாயை நாம் க்ஷாம் பட்டாரிகாம்பாதேவ்யை லூம் க்ஷாம் வாராஹ்யம்பாதேவ்யை அனந்தகோடி பிரம்மராக்ஷச குலசகிதாய லூம் க்ஷம் பட்டாரிகாம்பாநாதாய லூம் க்ஷம் உன்மத்தபைரவாய நமஹ. ஓம் 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 ஐம் க்ரீம் ஸ்டீம் ஜௌ ஸ்ஹௌ பம் 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 மம் அனந்தகோடி சகசரி குலசகிதாயை நாம் க்ஷாம் பட்டாரிகாம்பாதேவ்யை லூம் க்ஷாம் வராஹ்யம்பாதேவ்யை நமः. அனந்தகோடி பிரம்மராக்ஷச குலசகிதாய லும் க்ஷம் பட்டாரிகாம்பாநாதாய லும் க்ஷம் உன்மத்தபைரவாய நமः. Let Mahabhairava wake up with the grace of Mahabhairava. Let Mahabhairava wake up in all of us intensely. Be alive and awake. Manifest the super power of Tyaga in all of us. Now, move the Atmalinga to the third eye, Agnya Chakra. Agnya Chakra to the third eye. Om, Om, Aim, Krim, Steam, Zau, Yam, Ram, Lam, Vam, Anantakoti Girisharakula Sakitayai. ஐம் சம் கிரிகுல்யம்பாதேவ்யை ஐம் ஊம் இந்திராண்யம்பாதேவ்யை அனந்தகோட்டி சேடீகுலசகிதாய ஏம் ஷம் கிரிகுல்யம்பாநாதாய ஏம் ஷம் கபாலபைரவாய நமः. ॐ ऐं ह्रीं स्टीं सौः यं रं लं वं अनन्तकोटि गिरिशर कुलसहितायै ऐं सं गिरिकुल्यम्बादेव्यै ऐं शं इन्द्राण्यम्बादेव्यै अनन्तकोटिसेठीकुलसहिताय ऐं शं गिरिकुल्यम्बानाथाय ऐं शं कपालभैरवाय नमः। ॐ ऐं ह्रीं स्टीं सौः यं रं लं वं अनन्तकोटिगिरिशरकुलसहितायै ऐं सं गिरिकुल्यम्बादेव्यै ऐं शं इन्द्राण्यम्बादेव्यै नमः। अनन्तकोटिसेठीकुलसहिताय ऐं शं गिरिकुल्यम्बानाथाय ऐं शं कपालभैरवाय नमः।
அதுவே தலம் அருணாச்சலம் தலம் யாவிலும் அதிகம் அது பூமியின் இதயம் அறி அதுவே சிவன் இதய பதியாமொரு மருமத்தலம் பதியாம
Put the Atmalinga now on the top of the forehead, not on crown, not on Sahasrara chakra, tip of the forehead, on the top of the forehead, where top of the Anya chakra, not on the crown, not on the center of the head, top of the forehead. Put it on the top of the forehead.
நாள் மார்கழியில் ஆதிரை அஜோதி எழும் ஈசனை மால் முன்னமரர்
Om Aim Hreem Steam Zau Sau Beam Sham Hum Samham Anantagodi Sarasaragula Sahitayai Vam Galaratriambadevyai Aum Vam Chamundadevyai Namaha. Om Aim Hreem Steam Zau Sau Beam Sham Samham Anantagodi Charachara Sahitayai Vam Kalaratriambadevyai Aum Vam Chamundadevyai Namaha. Anantagodi Pretakula Sahitaya Aum Vam Kalaratriambanathaya Om Vam भीषण भैरवाय नमः। संहम अनंत कोटि सरासर कुल सहितायै वाम कालरात्र्यंबा देव्यै औं वाम चामुंडा देव्यै नमः। अनंत कोटि प्रेत कुल सहिताय औं वाम कालरात्र्यंबानाथाय ओं वम भीषण भैरवाय नमः। ओम ह्रीं स्टीं ओम ऐं ह्रीं स्टीं ओम ऐं ह्रीं स्टीं सौ सौ बीं क्षं संहं अनन्तकोटिसरासरकुलसहितायै वां कालरात्र्यंबा देव्यै औं वां चामुंडा देव्यै नमः। अनंतकोटि प्रेतकुलसहिताय औं वां कालरात्र्यंबानाथाय ओं वं भीषण भैरवाय नमः। Now, keep the Atmalinga on the crown center, Sahasrara Chakra. Move the Atmalinga to Sahasrara Chakra, crown center. Hold the Atmalinga with both your hands on the crown center. Om Aim Hrim Steam Zau Swau Lam Cham Anantakoti Jala Sara Kula Sahitayai Ah Lam Bishanyamba Devyai Ah Lam Mahalakshmiyamba Devyai Namaha. Ambanathaya Amlam Samhara Bhairavaya Namaha. Evam Ashtamatru Sameta Ashtabhairavanyasa Samaptam. Om Aim Hrim Steam Sau Sahau Lam Cham Anantakoti Jala Sara Kula Sahitayai Alam Lam Bishanyamba Devyai Lam Mahalakshmiyamba Devyai Anantakoti Shakini Kula Sahitaya Sakini Kula Sahitaya லம் பீஷண்யம்பாநாதாய அம் லம் संहारभैरवाय नमः एवं अष्टमातृसमेत अष्टभैरवन्यास समाप्तम्. ओम 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 महाभैरवाय.
ஒரு தெரியல்லை உற்று கண்ணுற்றால் கருத்தினால் ஊர கருதினால்
ओम परमशिवोहम. ओम नित्यानंद परमशिवोहम. ओम 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 महाभैरवाय.
அறுத்த விஞ்ஞானம் ஆர்க்குமுண்டாமே யோசனை மூன்றாம்
With all the auspiciousness and grace, blessings of Paramashiva, let him manifest in all of us. Ashtamatru Sameda Ashtabhairavanyasa Samaptam Sampurnam. Let the grace of Paramashiva, blessings of Paramashiva manifest wildly, ferociously in all of us, and Ashtamatru Sameda Ashtabhairava fully awaken in all of us, manifest all the auspiciousness. Let Paramashiva Ashtamatru Sameda Ashtabhairava with their grace and blessings manifest through me, through this being in all of us. Super consciousness, Sri Kailasa Paramashiva, manifest through me, this being in all of us.
சரமா சரசரமா சுருக்கு முறுக்கு சங்கிலியா வரப்பா விறுவிறுப்பா கருப்பவரா பாருங்கடா இடிக்கும் இடி ஒளியாக சங்கிலியா ஐயப்பா கட்ட முடிப்பா வீர கருப்பு சங்கிலியா கரிமேட்டி எல்லக்கார இருமான தகக்கார அடையாம ஓடி வருவா கருப்பான மாட சுரை கட்டி தச காவக்கார சிங்கமோட சீறி வருவா கரிமேட்டி எல்லக்கார இருமான தகக்கார அடையாம ஓடி வருவா
शांति शांति ही। You can all open your eyes. Let the grace of Paramashiva be on all of us. If everyday process is like $1 million, today's process is $1 billion. Understand? This is pure gift from Paramashiva directly. Shivaratri gift from Paramashiva, from Sri Kailasa to all the devotees and disciples. To all my disciples, Paramashiva's gift directly from Sri Kailasa is today's process. And today I have some beautiful news from Sri Kailasa, the greatest Hindu nation. This is going to be my most important contribution to the planet Earth. As the living representative of Paramashiva, I formally announce the 16 ministries of Sri Kailasa, the greatest Hindu nation, to start the work of Sri Kailasa of supporting all humanity and relieving them of anger and violence and give enlightenment, state, space, powers, being, superconsciousness. Sri Kailasa of Paramashiva. First, Ministry of Sovereign. Second, Ministry of Department of State. Third, Department of Enlightened Civilization. Department of Health. Department of Education. Department of Information and Broadcasting. Department of Commerce. Department of Human Services. Department of Treasury. Department of Interior. Department of Vedic Science and Technology. Department of Housing. Department of Religion and Worship. Department of Agriculture. Department of Environment and Animals. Department of National Archives. So, these are the new ministries of Sri Kailasa, I should say. Formally getting formed as new, but it is, the work is being done for last so many years, and it's just the revival. Organizing ourselves under these titles properly. And Sri Kailasa Department of Health is leading and will continue to lead people to good health using Nityananda Yoga, Ayurveda and other traditional Hindu medical sciences, while also working with allopathic medicine to achieve results for the community. I have tons of work in this area from the time my mission started in pregnancy care, Nirahara Samyama, Nitya Kriya, so much work. Now the world can enjoy in an organized way. Sri Kailasa Department of Education is going to keep Paramashiva's Jnana and Paramashiva's Vijnana alive for generations to come. So the beautiful gifts Paramashiva is revealing through this form can be preserved forever for all to enjoy. This department is creating policies for primary education, post-secondary education, certifications, faculty, academic research and teaching methodologies. This department's single most mission is to bring 100% literacy on planet Earth. No one is denied education, conscious living for every being. From today, our every single effort will be focused towards this ultimate contribution to the humanity. And today, Kailasa's Nityananda Hindu University is releasing a beautiful program called Leela Dhyana. Wow! An entire 7 days autobiography tour in Thiruvannamalai, visiting sites of where I grew up and spent time with my gurus in the temple. Absolutely unique tour of my life. Just by knowing me, my life, you will become me. Tavakatamritam tapta jivanam kavibiriditam kalmashavakam Sravanamangalam Srimadadatam Bhuvigrunandide Buridajana. That is which sweet to hear. That is which is sweet to hear. That which, when heard, immediately raises one to the high conscious state. That which takes us to another level just by remembering it. That which gives deep pleasure not only to the listener but also to the person who narrates it. O Lord, may I narrate your story. This is verse from Srimad Bhagavatam, Bhagavan Vedavyasa. My life is not an individual's history. This is the science of crores of Vedic Dharmas, incarnations and rishis. All of that has been realized once again in me. So when you learn and experience my life, you will just instantly start manifesting powers. I bless everyone who comes to the program to fall in samadhi, in oneness with me. The program is starting on Jivan Mukti Jayanti, March 3rd. You can all apply immediately at nityanandahinduuniversity.org/daily satsang. I'll give you all a few minutes to sign up.
करे नंदी की सवारी भोलेनाथ रे शंकर नाथ रे मेरा भोला है भंडारी करे नंदी की सवारी शंभोनाथ रे शंकर नाथ रे तेरा नाम है तारनहारा एक तू ही है पालनहारा भोलेनाथ रे शंकर नाथ रे मेरे साथ रे तू मेरे साथ रे तमाम सृष्टि का सार तू है विकार तू निर्विकार तू है कहूँ क्या बारे में तेरे भोले असीम तू है अपार तू तेरा, समाए दिल में है तेरी सूरत, वजूद मुझ में है खास तेरा। गंगा सोहे जिसके केशा, करता मंगल जो हमेशा, भोलेनाथ रे शंकर नाथ रे, तू ही त्रिपुरारी कैलाशी, तू ही दुख भंजन अविनाशी, शंभोनाथ रे शंकर नाथ रे। मेरा भोला है भंडारी, जिसे पूजे दुनिया सारी।
I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhadvaita Saivam, living and radiating state, space, powers, being, superconsciousness, Sri Kailasa of Paramashiva. Paramashivoham, Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. The eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.